2D scene and then rename it to world, and then add a character body 2D and rename it to blind, and add sprite 2D, and then collision shape, and then import any image to the sprite 2D and take a shape for the collision shape and resize it to the player and save with Ctrl S, and then make a new scene for the bullet and add character body 2D. Rename to bullet and add sprite 2D for the shape and then collision shape. Import the same image or whatever and then resize the collision. Add node 2D for the bullet spawning point. Go to the bullet scene and add a new script. Full code is in the description. Make a new script for the player. This code is in the description as well. And that's all. Thank you for watching.